So we're going to Presqu'ile or Presqu'ile, not sure how it's said. It's just north of Toronto, so it's about 240 kilometers, about a 3-hour drive in this thing. We're spending 3 nights there. Weather's looking half decent. It'll be a good trip either way. One extra large Hawaiian pizza.
Yay! We arrived at our campsite.
Yeah. Wanted to be super easy today, so we got a pizza instead of barbecuing. So lots of time to get set up. Yeah, we ordered this pizza from Vito's Pizza in town, just in Brighton, about 15 minutes from here.
The campsite is pretty big.
Very big.
Very big.
Mm-hmm.
Have some neighbors. The wood is not burning very well.
Too moist.
Yeah. It's about 9:30. Not too bad. The bathroom is not bad, but it's just too busy. It is too busy. So I quickly wash my teeth, wash my face. Yeah, maybe next time I'll go earlier or later, like 9:30. It's not a very good time to go. After breakfast, we are taking a walk. This is
Lake Ontario.
Lake Ontario, and
A lot warmer down here, but the water's surprisingly.
oh, I think those are the 2 islands that you can walk to.
Yeah, we're off there today.
Where are they? What? Where are they? Do not disturb though. I love turtles. Oh, hi. The campsite by the lake is pretty cool. It's really cool. Yeah, Lighthouse.
Yeah, Canadian made t-shirts.
That's
Nice to
turtles. Smaller turtles. It's cute.
see. Turtle socks. I think your ice is ready.
Yeah.
Ice cream is good. Pretty reasonable. It was $4.75 for this one, $4 for that one.
And then we discovered something else in it. We're gonna visit it later. Yeah, they have some puzzles, have some t-shirts.
So this is the sandy beach area of the park. Not really close to the campsites. As you can see, the islands are right there. We're staying on the other side, probably about equal distance from here. So yeah, it's definitely a trek, but I think it's worth it. The beach is huge. Still pretty busy for overcast day, but Yeah. That's nice.
Lookout number 1. To avoid disturbing shorebirds, please approach your viewing station very slowly and quietly. Do not go beyond the roped area. Okay. And no dogs. Okay, let's go.
One of the worst birds.
Look, there's a lot of Canadian geese. Oh gosh. Colonial bird nesting site. Access prohibited March 10th to September the 10th.
So we just had the shower, up the showers. Really nice setup, all nice and tiled. Water was warm. Water pressure was good for me. Kelsey said it was a little hard, but so we're just gonna take a drive, charge up the batteries, and check out the dumping station. That's about it.
We're making today?
I don't know. Veggies with ground beef over rice.
Oh, spicy.
Yeah.
You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Uncle Ben.
Okay.
That's how he does it.
Wow.
Just have to warm them up first. Put them in the middle. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's the worst. Lack of seasoning. Still dialing in camping supplies. We do have some cheese to add on top, so, and Frank's Red Hot, so that should smother any lack of flavor.
Doesn't look too bad at all.
Should be fine. Should be serviceable.
You try first.
Not bad.
I'm trying my sour cream. Yeah, it rained pretty heavily last night, but now it's sunny. We're making some breakfast. Bacon, eggs, home fries, and coffee. This is this. From Costco.
Not Not bad for a damp morning. So, ran into a couple of swans and two baby swans. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nice surprise.
Mm-hmm. Two babies. I keep saying this is a perfect place to film a horror movie. Why I like it so much? Oh my god. That's Jessie, that's not me. Dinner tonight.
One.
It rained last night, so our firewood are very, very wet.
Yeah. Wasn't dry to begin with either.
Let's see if this helps.
Pretty small.
Then I have two. Yeah, it look good. You're gonna have hot dog tonight?
Yeah. You're having salmon, I'm having hot dogs. Yeah. Okay. This one's definitely done.
Dinner looks pretty good. I have salmon, potato. Jessie has hot dogs. I'm hungry.
I should put the other 3 pieces in. The grand finale.
Yeah, we can do that. They're not that wet now, right?
No.
Finally, we have a good fire.
As we ran out of wood. Just leaving the park. Spent 3 nights. Had a good time. Day at the beach, day hiking, day setting up. Yeah, lots of fun. A lot of nice paved roads for biking. Park was well kept, showers were good. Everything was close by. The site was really big. Successful